Hi everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this slide and see how it looks like. We are now 1,000 subscribers. Okay, let's try to create it. At first, we need to create these rectangles, these triangles, sorry. Before that, we need to format the background. We need to choose a color. We choose colors from these colors. We are going with dark gray. And then we need to create these triangles. We simply go here, hold shift and create them and copy them 4 times. Press Ctrl A, align them center, align them middle, but they are not in the center. We must bring them center. How? We must click one by one on them, align center, align center, align center, and align center, also align center. Okay, now we bring them to look like this. Then we need to color them up. For the colors, we are going from the dark to the light, darker, a little lighter, lighter, and the lightest. Press Ctrl A, align center, align middle. Now select all of them, bring them middle. Okay, now we need to select all of them and go here, set the shape outline to none. And for the shadows, we are going to use inner shadows. It's good. Now we copy, apply the background to all, copy this slide, and here we create a copy of all of them here and all of them here. Then we just simply copy the text and paste it here. Now we copy this slide, bring these things up, and then bring one by one down. One, bring this thing up, copy the text. The text is just some easy text, nothing special. After that, copy it again. For the copy, you use Ctrl C, and here we select another one, bring it down. You see, for bringing it down, we must select this thing and this thing and this thing and this thing and bring them down by each other. Then we need to copy the next text, paste it here, copy it another time, select these two, and select all of this thing and hold them down. You see, we create a copy of them here. Because of that goes wrong. I reselect them by holding Ctrl, then bring them down, copy the last text, paste it here. Now select all the slides, set the transition to morph, and the duration of this slide is going to be after 0. Okay, let's see what we created. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find many of them in my channel if you want. Have a nice time.